Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can colorize your black and white photos using a website. Basically, we will colorize this black and white photo and make something like this. Let's get started. Now for this video, we have this sample black and white image. This image was downloaded from pixabay.com. So we want to colorize this photo using a website. So let's try it if this works or not. On your browser, simply search for Palette FM. This is the website. Click on it. So this website will colorize your pictures. Now if you want high resolution images, you will have to pay. But for smaller sizes, it is absolutely free without any watermarks. So let's try to upload the image. This is our sample image. So this conversion will take some time, but you will have lots of options. Here is the colorized photo. You can see lots of variations for the photo. I will fast forward to show all the variations. The results are actually quite amazing. Now choose from whatever options you like, whichever variation you like, and simply download it. This size is free, while SD version will cost you some money. Let me download the free version. And this looks pretty amazing, though we can only have a small size image for free. Anyway, we hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.